Complementary gene interactions. Complementary factors 9:7. Complementary gene interactions. Complementary genes may be defined as two or more dominant genes occurring in the different loci of the same chromosome or different chromosomes interacts with one another to produce a character, but neither of them produces that character in the absence of the other. The action of this independent gene are complementary with each other. That means for a single character, two dominant genes are required. Batson and the Punets studied the inheritance of the flower color in a sweet pea, that is the Lathyrus odoratus. There are two varieties of the pea plant, one producing red flower and other white flowers. The red color of the flower is due to the presence of the pigment called as anthocyanin. The anthocyanin is produced from the substance called as the chromogene by the action of the enzyme. For the production of the red color, both chromogene and enzyme should be present in the plant. In the absence of any one, the red color cannot be produced. That means the red color is due to the pigment anthocyanin, and for this anthocyanin pigment the substance chromogene is required, and for the chromogene enzyme is required. And if both the substance and the enzyme both are present in the plant, then and then only red colored flowers are produced. Batson found that a dominant gene capital C is responsible for the production of the chromogene. When this gene is recessive, that means small c, the chromogene cannot be produced. Similarly, another dominant gene capital P is responsible for the production of enzyme which converts a substance in anthocyanin. When the gene is recessive, that means small p, the enzyme cannot be produced and thus chromogene cannot be converted into anthocyanin. Thus, the red flower plant contains both types of genes that are the dominant, that is the capital C and capital P. So you remember that in the complementary gene interactions, two genes are required and two genes are always dominant. No recessive gene express its characters. The possible genotype for the red flowered plants are CCPP, CCPP or CCPP. Look into the genotype. Always capital C and capital P must be there. If capital C and the capital P is present, then and then only red colored flowers are produced. The possible genotype of the white flowered plants are capital C, small p, small c, capital P, or both are small. Here you again remember that in the white flowered plants, only one dominant gene is present. In the first genotype, capital C is there. In the second genotype, capital P is there. And in the third, all are small. If here both the dominant genes are not present. In the first genotype, capital C is present, capital P is absent. In the second genotype, capital P is present, but capital C is absent. And in the next, both are recessive. Batson crossed a homozygous white flowered sweet pea plants with genotype capital C, small p, with another sweet pea plant with white flower with genotype small c, capital P. Again here you observe, the first white flower only capital C is present, and in the second white flower only capital P is present. So due to the absence of the both dominant genes, red color is not appeared. If such a types of white flowered plants are crossed, the F1 offsprings have red colored flowers having genotype capital C, capital P, small p. Both the genes are dominant. Capital C is there, capital P is there. And when the F1 offsprings red colored hybrid plants capital C, capital P, small p are self crossed, then in the F2 generation 9 red and 7 white, that means 9:7 offsprings are produced. This is the checkerboard. So there is the selfing of F1 hybrids, and you count the red colored plants where there are both the genes, they are dominant, capital C, capital P, always red color, and if either one is absent, always white flowered, and thus 9 red and 7 white flowers are produced. That means the complementary gene interaction ratio is 9:7. You remember that in monohybrid cross 3:1, dihybrid cross 9:3:3:1, and back cross and the test cross, dominant genes must be there, 9 red, 7 white. So next time we discuss the supplementary gene interaction.